So in this segment, we're going to talk a little bit about the actual process here. This boat has moderate oxidation, so we're going to take the extreme compound and set that aside because that'll remove heavy oxidation, which we don't need. So we're going to set that down here in the boat, and we're going to start with our crystal cut compound, which removes the moderate oxidation. We're going to pair that up with our medium foam pad. Okay? So what we do is take a little bit of water, spray it on the pad to prime it. Take about 5 pea-sized drops and apply it to the pad. Then we're going to dab the area so that when we start the polishing, it's not going to splatter the product everywhere. Make sure we have even coverage over the area. Then we're going to work the product in on the initial few passes, and then we're going to make slow back and forth overlapping passes both horizontally and vertically until the product is completely worked in. So we're going to start the polisher off at around level 2. Just to work the product in. Okay, now that the product is worked in, we're going to go ahead and crank it up to about 5,000 oscillations per minute. You can already see that the color is starting to come up in the blue section here. You also want to make sure that the pad is rotating on the surface. If it's not rotating, you're using too much hand pressure and you need to back off a little bit. You want to make sure that you work the product completely into the surface until it's almost translucent. Okay. Now you want to wipe the surface. You can already see that the color is starting to come up here versus here. And you can see that shine starting to come up. So that looks pretty